We're back with more tips and tricks to build rapport with your clients. Good morning, everybody. Josh Ezell, Break the Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic week. We're back today with more tips and tricks to build rapport with your clients. And we're going more through this list from callcenterhelper.com. And it's the list of 27 effective ways to build customer rapport. I have a link to this article below. Please check it out. And let's keep going. We're at number 5. Allow them to get it all out. Now, up front, we all want to show that we are the expert. But truly speaking, nobody cares how much you know until they know how much you care, right? So when you're first on the phone with somebody, let them get it all out. What is it that they're looking for? When do they want to be there? Just keep asking questions. Get it all out from them. Next thing you know, they love you more than anything because you let them get it all out. Next, if somebody's having any problems, especially if you have an issue, somebody's concerned, somebody's mad, that is all the more time to let them get it out. Make sure they feel heard, right? Now, kind of a circle back, number 6, repeat it back to them. Again, it comes to being heard. People want to know you understand. Customer service can also be summarized with, I understand you, okay? I hear you. I understand you. I want to help you. That's customer service, right? So once they've said it, repeat it back to them. As stupid as it might sound, what they might be asking, if it seems so obvious and it might be out there, they might need to hear that, yes, sir, I understand you were wronged. I understand you feel that you were screwed over. I get it. All right? It can be that simple. And all of a sudden, boom, the walls come down and you have an ally and a friend moving forward. It's great. All right. Number 7, carrying this on to the next step. At that point, make their problem your problem. Make their goal your goal. Make their journey your journey, whatever it might be. You need your home in 3 months? Perfect, let's do this. I'm your guy. This is our thing. It's so funny, when I'm working with my clients, it's no longer their home. It's our home. It's our investment. It's so funny. It's hard not to take ownership because you're working so closely with these people. If their goal is a $200,000 home of this size, that's my goal, is a $200,000 home of this size. Make their problem your problem. All right, number 8, understand the customer's emotional drivers. Knowing where they're coming from, okay? It could be something like an engineering person might be concerned about the structural facts and is this a good home? Is this gonna be durable? Is this gonna last? What's our power bill is gonna be like? On the flip side, you might have so-and-so who's all about the kitchen. What kind of cooking can I do? You might have another person that's all about, I need to park 5 vehicles. That could be important, right? Another part is the emotional aspect. Some people have a hard time, for example, selling their home. That's not an easy thing. It might have been the home that their kids were raised in and they've lived here for 20 years. Can you put yourself in their shoes, and is moving truly in their best interest, and can you help them do that? Sometimes staying is in their best interest, right? There's a lot of reasons people may have to do what they have to do. If you've ever had to deal with an estate situation, you might understand a little more there too, right? When in the fall of the market, we were having to deal with a lot of people potentially losing their home, short sale or foreclosure. And we're trying to help minimize losses. That's not ideal. You have to have a certain sensitivity. So make sure you put yourself in your client's shoes, make their problem your problem, and then understand where they're coming from to really be there for them. All right, that's it for today. We'll continue tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Again, there's a link to this article below. Please like, share, comment, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.